fellas. Now we're at the airport. We're going to... Where are we going? Jakarta. Kita baru sampai di
Soekarno-Hatta International Airport.
Jadi kita mau ambil bagasi. Good morning, guys. So we on our way to go to Gambir Station. We will take train to go to Bandung and yeah. Oke geng, so sekarang kita udah sampai di stasiun Gambir. Orang Sarah.
Hello.
And then now we met Gemma here and Arik. Arik.
Hello.
Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Well, so now we are in the train, right? How long it takes to go to Bandung?
3 hours.
1 day.
1 day. Where are you going, Rick? If it's took a 1 day.
Kita mau ke Semarang,
Bali.
guys.
Is it took a 1 day to go to Semarang with the train?
It takes like 8 hours.
8 hours, oh my lord. That's too long. Right? Too long. All of us like masker.
Don't touch your front part.
Okay. Masker team. See you guys there. Can you sleep? No. Why?
Because someone's snoring so loud.
So loud, like for real. Yeay, akhirnya kita sampai di Bandung.
Finally.
Jadi gengs, kita udah sampai di Airbnb. Ini kamarnya di Jardin Apartment. Like, hi, welcome. Jadi di sini ada kitchennya. Well, ada TV, ada Wi-Fi, and this is the toilet.
Ada BBC.
There is a shower, and then they actually have 2 rooms. This is the first room, I guess.
No, guys, tapi kita appreciate Crowne way more.
Yeah. Hey fellas, so we're ready already and we're going to Dago, especially to Dago Bakery. How are you doing?
This is Balinese dance.
Okay.
Traditional Balinese dance.
Kan.
Ada gambarnya nggak? Oh ini.
Aku mau makan Swedish meatball, guys. Ya udah pesan mana orangnya? Karena nggak bisa ke IKEA.
So now we're on our way to go to Guguk house. It's like
Rumah
Guguk house.
Kita mau ninggalin Arik di situ sama kawan-kawan.
Kurang lucu ya.
We can't take care of him anymore. Iya, kita capek.
Yay, finally we arrived at rumah Guguk. Sebenarnya tadi kita cuma rencana mau nurunin Arik,
Untuk
tapi
nurunin
karena
dong,
kayak
kasihan.
nggak kasihan sih, emang niat mau turunin. Kayak tamannya lucu juga, jadi kita kayak turun juga gitu loh, buat lihat-lihat nggak sih. Terus kalau kita misalnya udah selesai, baru kita turunin Arik. Iya nggak, Game?
Iya, kayak kita tuh pengen lihat rumahnya kok cocok kalau nggak sama dia kan.
Oh iya.
Kan
Soalnya dia rasnya agak beda gitu. Oke, thank you. Hey, welcome to rumah Guguk.
like this one.
Right? Come.
Kok nurut sih ya?
Pintar banget, sumpah pintar banget.
Ih, kok mirip ya? Oh, we're done at Guguk house. I think she got an
Kayaknya aku
allergic.
alergi deh, I don't know. But
Yeah.
I think we just discovered that I'm probably allergic to dogs or cats.
So we will go to a cereal. No, what's that called? Sunday Bowl Cereal Club. So check that out.
So I got Lucky Charms and Cookie Crisps. I think I forgot with skimmed milk. I would go for almond milk, but you have to add 10k. So I'm like,
Okay. I got here Oreo cereal and also a cake. This is what I mean actually like Tresor.
Oh,
So
that looks good.
yeah, inside here there's a chocolate.
Chocolate ya?
Yeah. And I got the chocolate milk. Yeah.
enjoy.
I got here too. Or like actually on my team. So gang, so we'll do the room tour. This is the King Deluxe at Crowne Plaza. And let's start with the bathroom. There's a bathtub. And then there's a shower as well. And then for tea and then water as well. There's TV. And this is the bathroom. And then yeah, there's one chair, working place, and then the view, like Bandung view.